Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5.3-liter Ecotec engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got that tow hitch. We do get some bed steps as well. A nice bed liner, which is pretty nice. You get the Chevrolet logo on it, as well as over there. Mud flaps on the rear. Some black fenders with mud flaps on the front. And moving to the front, we do get a license plate bracket, recovery hooks, and that nice Chevrolet grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this gray cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back. You got gray accents on the door, carpet interior with floor mats, your 6 additional seat. And of course you can fold this up. Oh, let me see if I can get it for additional storage down underneath. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Same gray accents on the door. Windows, mirrors, locks, all there. Lights and trailer brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 140,865 kilometers. We do get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, cruise control, the nice Chevy logo. And look in here, we can go for our units by just, let me see if I can get it twisting this. So we got our units, comm screen, digital speedometer, trip 1, fuel range, average fuel economy, tire pressure, oil life, transmission fluid, trailer brake, engine hours, units, and all that jazz. To my right, we have tons of storage on your 6th seat with storage below, and you even get some outlets down there. 3 cup holders with more your 6th additional seat. I have no idea where I was going with that. You got your 4-wheel drive right there with some storage, traction. You got storage here, a 12-volt bed lights, your climate controls, and your media controls, storage above and below. We got our OnStar services on your rear view mirror. And look at here, we're just gonna go home real quick. We have projection, OnStar, audio, gallery, phone, settings, all that jazz. Tells you time like usual. Touchscreen, so you can go for all these settings. OnStar, such as your hand-free calling.
Thank you.
Oh,
Goodbye.
nice. Loves to talk to me. Got your audio here as well with AM, FM, Bluetooth, all that jazz. We're gonna source it in here with Sirius XM, which is pretty nice. Aux and Bluetooth, projection, and gallery if you'd like to have that all set up for you. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA93776A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.